Why wait for days if you have received for today?
Yes, listen, bro.
Yes.
If you wanna something and this item is not available in our country.
Country? What country?
Local market.
Local market, yes.
Yes. So how can you purchase? So you need only online shopping.
But how need but how there is also available in Faizabad, in Masodha, and there is also market, and there is
Yes,
also
but not available.
what but in online shopping everything is available.
Yes, in offline shopping is everything is available.
So that's what market is also available in everything.
No.
And every time many types of market.
Everything is not
Listen,
available in
Nah.
market.
Yes. Every many types of markets they open, and they have many types of materials also available. Whatever you need, you purchase.
Yes, you purchase, but everything is not available in market.
So what will I
Yes.
do? Everything available. I purchase because I am a
Yes, you
offline
purchase
shop.
diamond.
Huh?
Yes, you purchase diamond.
Listen.
In offline
Yes.
shopping.
I say Lulu Mall.
Sometimes suppose that listen to me everyone. Sometimes you purchase golden jewelry and diamonds jewelry you purchase, but how to trust offline shopping? But someone is stolen your jewelry, so how will do trust in online shopping?
have faith online shopping.
We have faith. What faith? What type of faith?
भरोसा बा यार.
Bharosa is not bharosa, because every
Bharosa is not bharosa.
Yes.
Because elephant teeth.
Because your product is jewelry and golden jewelry and diamond jewelry. So how to purchase? How to trust that person who take your product? How to believe? How to trust?
And they cheat you.
Yes, they stolen their jewelry.
जब तक घरे ना आए तब गारंटी रहते हैं.
What
Yes,
type
they have a
guarantee?
guarantee, okay?
And no one can. Every person trust in offline shopping to get the jewelry and purchase the jewelry and diamonds and necklace and everything.
Delivery boy, when home, then I give money.
Yes, then I give money, but sometimes
Yes. Before I don't give money.
delivery boy, they check the product and they expensive product, and they sometimes they eat the product. Sometimes I also
Listen, bro, listen.
see-
If you wanna buy the anything in Kerala, how to purchase?
how to purchase?
Yes.
Please repeat your question. I don't understand
If you
clearly.
wanna buy anything in Kerala,
But,
so how to purchase?
But why I purchase in Kerala? I purchase in my local area.
Yes, if it don't available in your local market, so what will you do?
Everything available in local market. How can you say that?
No, bro, you don't know everything is
I
not
don't
available in
listen
local
to-
market.
I think I listen. I don't in my point. You are a online shopping. You don't know about. You don't.
But
You
but
don't.
bro,
Listen,
you don't know.
listen. You don't know
according to
about
me,
local marketing.
Listen, bro, listen.
She knows only online shopping.
Bro.
Yes.
Listen, but according to me,
Yes.
online shopping is better for girls. Yes. I
Better
know.
for girls, but why the girls go in market? Why the?
I think you don't know, bro. Nowadays, girls boy also walking in market and they harassment the girls. Okay.
What? Yes, I know very well harassment and many types of cases. But in nowadays, they in nowadays Yogi Sarkar, listen to me. Yogi Sarkar hai.
also
Nowadays
walking in
Yogi
market.
Sarkar. And no.
Yes, they will steal your money.
How to steal your money? How to, if you carry your
Many
carefully.
thief is also walking in market. They thief, they steal your money.
Many types of no articles and
Many type of
rights, and we can take action through
Yes,
by
but
the
poor people don't action.
But poor people, how to survive in country? They don't accent.
But
they
poor
they
people
go in.
don't accent, okay?
They, listen to me. They go police station and they complain.
The person.
That person.
Yes, listen.
Who steal?
नेगेटिव बोलना थोड़ा
Police take money, okay? And poor people can't give money, okay?
Why?
Why? Police are very घूसखोर, okay?
I think.
Government also, yes.
Government also.
So government is thief according to
Yes,
you.
because government selling
Government.
out India. Because government selling out India.
Wow. So government selling our India.
Yes.
So what purchase you? What purchase India? What purchase you India from India? What purchase you from India?
Please come your point, okay?
What convert? You interrupting my point.
Please.
You interrupting my point. Okay, and you.
China will purchase everything.
Yeah.
China will purchase and every listen to me.
Modi
Every
selling out
product
India.
has China
Prime Minister
product.
selling out India.
In
Now-
online shopping, every product has China product.
Modi also sell yogi.
Modi also tell you what tell you. I live in country. Modi sell, Yogi sell, what sell?
What? I think you don't know, okay?
Modi also sell cows.
Yes.
I also talk here only online shopping, offline shopping, not Yogi, not Modi. Okay.
भगवान
No, you said
अपना बोलो जाओ
अब ना बोल जा भैया कितना योगी